Welcome, team. Today we'll be going over the training guide for this upcoming ACA season. Who are we? Zabella Insurance is one of the fastest growing insurance agency in the US that provides health, Medicare, life, dental, vision, property and casualty insurance coverages through the best insurance carriers available. We operate with the principles of excellence and customer-oriented ideals to cultivate our insurance agency with the reputation of excellence. We believe firmly in offering all of our clients the best customer service year-round, along with the best and most affordable insurance products available. The core of our success has come from our ability to tailor coverages based on our clients' specific needs and our willingness to always review clients' existing coverages at no cost to them and to identify areas in their lives that may not be properly insured, thus exposing themselves and their families and their businesses to possible losses. The types of insurance offered. We have individuals and businesses. For individuals, we have the individual Obamacare plan. That's the Affordable Care Act, the marketplace insurance that we'll be selling November 1st till December 15th. Individual major medical plans, that's private insurance, dental, vision. We have life insurance, critical illness plans, accidental insurance plans, emergency care insurance, final expense plans. For Medicare, we have Advantage plans and supplement insurance. That's for 65 and older. We have auto insurance, so personal auto policies. We sell homeowners, so homeowner policies for the homes. For businesses, we have the Business Obamacare plan, which is again the Obamacare insurance that we're selling. Major medical plans, private insurances for businesses and all of their employees, dental, vision, life insurance as well, general liability for all business owners, errors and omission, and commercial auto policies for businesses for all their cars, and commercial properties for commercial owners and businesses to insure their property. So, what is the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare? ACA, also called as Obamacare, is a U.S. healthcare reform law that expands and improves access to affordable healthcare subsidized by the government. So, this is health insurance that gives you a government discount on your premium on a monthly basis. So, essential health benefits with Obamacare plans and standard benefits. So, these are all the benefits that you will get on a Obamacare plan. So, what is the Obamacare Marketplace, also known as healthcare.gov? So, the Obamacare Marketplace is a centralized environment where buyers and sellers meet, and the buyer is able to compare and purchase and insure plans from an insurance carrier based on their individual needs. So, what is your role as an enrollment agent? So, our role as an enrollment agent is to assist both individuals and business owners in finding the best and most affordable health insurance plans offered through the marketplace. We help them navigate through the marketplace by comparing all the plans, the options, and explaining major differences with the plans. So, monthly premiums, deductibles, co-pays, maximum out of pockets, your prescription co-pays, and more. Those are the differences that we want to compare. So, what are your 6 essential components of health plans? These are your 6 components. These are the 6 words that you're going to be saying very frequently, very often, because when you're explaining a plan, you have to go through these. So, you must know this. You need to know what a deductible is, what's maximum out of pocket, what is your primary doctor copay, specialist copay, brand prescription copay, and generic prescription copay. We know deductible is the amount to be paid by the insured before an insurance company starts covering expenses. Your maximum out of pocket is the maximum you will pay for a given year. Primary doctor copay is what you're going to pay to see your primary doctor. Specialist copay is the copay you're going to pay to see your specialist, and brand and generic is the prescription drug that they'll have and what their copay would be. The levels of health plans that we have are bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. The most frequently ones that we're going to be selling is bronze and silver. Rarely do you ever speak about gold and platinum. We don't even really sell those most of the time. It's bronze and silver. So bronze is the least expensive monthly premium. This is what's commonly sold. Many plans start at $0 a month. Your silver plans are affordable monthly premiums. This one is giving you a little bit more coverages. So something that's very important, plan enrollment choices, they apply only for 1 year. So clients cannot change levels or plans until the next annual open enrollment. So whatever plan they choose this coming season, just make sure that you advise the customer that, they cannot change it next year. So don't call us and ask us, hey, this plan isn't giving me enough coverage. I'm having to pay too much. Can I switch my plan? No, you cannot. That's the plan that you have. Okay, so that's why it's very important that we go through this and we make sure that the plan that they choose is the plan that they want. So open enrollment. So a person can only buy health insurance with a specified time period called open enrollment. So here are some qualifying factors for Obamacare. So individuals 65 or older cannot be enrolled in an Obamacare insurance plan, and they should be enrolled in a Medicare plan. Dependents under 18 can be enrolled under their parents' plan unless the dependent child is in college, which allow coverage until the age of 26. Okay, so in from 18 to 64, individuals and families with household income below poverty levels cannot enroll in Obamacare plans and should be referred to Medicaid. So, for an individual family to qualify to enroll in an Obamacare health insurance plan, their household income should be slightly above poverty level and not exceed a certain level. So, you have to ask your manager, they're going to give you the income bracket. Now, for statuses, who can enroll? You must be a U.S. citizen and have a legal residence, so either a green card, uh, I-94, work permit, or student visa. You have to be, legal in the states in order to have Obamacare, and you must have a social. So here are some of the required documents that we have to obtain from customers. To enroll in an Obamacare plan, individuals must provide the following documents. So we have to have proof of income. So you have to be working or looking for a job or having some sort of income that's coming in order to have Obamacare. So we need a W-2, a last pay stub, a tax return. If you're not working, where is that source of income coming in from? The employer name and phone number if you're not working there anymore, because we need to see the income that you had produced from that place, for the year that or amount of time you've been working there. The proof and status, so your birth certificate or passport if you're a U.S. citizen. If you're not, a green card, your student visa or TPS. We need to have your social card as well. And then we will be collecting your routing and account number or credit card information if there's a payment amount. So agents are responsible to gather the above documents from the clients within 48 hours. So, when you're sitting down with them right there and then, make sure you collect it. If it's over the phone, make sure that you're collecting the information or having them send it to you via text message or email or fax, or have them come in. We need to have these documents. If documents are not uploaded on healthcare.gov in a certain amount of time, their plan will get canceled. So, it's not a conversation whether you don't want to provide it or not. In order to have Obamacare, you have to provide this information because they have to verify that. I mean, remember, you're getting government help. So, I mean, in order to get the price that you're getting, you do need to provide this information. So these are frequently asked questions. When do I pay for my coverage? So once your Obamacare application is submitted, the insurance carrier requires a binder payment to start coverage on January 1st. So the first monthly premium is typically paid within 10 days of the enrollment date, which covers the first month of coverage for the insurer. So they may ask you, hey, why am I paying this November 1st? Well, we're paying this in advance. So the following payment is due February 1st every month thereon after that first payment. So remember, January is paid in advance. It is recommended to set up automatic bill pay for clients' monthly premiums in order to avoid any planned cancellation. So just remember, Marketplace will not hesitate to cancel your plan due to non-payment. As soon as Florida Blue or Molina or any of those carriers send them that notification that this person has not paid their premium, they're going to go ahead and cancel your plan. The government doesn't want to pay for your plan if you're not paying your, little bill that you have after they're helping you, right? So they're going to just cancel your plan and call it a day. And again, if they cancel your plan, remember what's going to happen is that premium that you're getting a discount on is going to be taken away, and you're going to be responsible for that full payment. So it's, you know, then on you need to cancel your plan. So they're just going to take away your government help. They're not going to cancel your plan because canceling your health insurance because you didn't pay for your plan, is going to cause an issue. So they're just going to take away the government help, and now you're responsible to pay the full premium. So how does the subsidy work? So the subsidy is given to a person in a tax form of called a tax credit through the filing of a person's tax return with the IRS. So based on three major factors, for example, your age, your household income, and how many people are on your tax return or how you file your taxes, that person is qualified for a monthly tax credit amount that serves as a deduction on their monthly health insurance premium. So, for example, the frequently asked question is, how does the tax credit work? Well, John is a single man. Okay, so he files his taxes just by himself. He's 40 years old and his yearly income is 12,000 for the year. So, based on that information, any plan that for instance, let's say he choose Florida Blue is saying, well, hey, your plan is going to be $375 dollars, and the monthly ACA tax credit that the government is going to help you with is 325. So they're going to get 325 tax credit off of their premium. So they're going to pay $50 a month for health insurance. So these are additional coverage offered. We offer these coverages a lot during the Obamacare season because it works hand in hand with their health insurance. So life insurance with critical illness riders is very important that clients have life insurance, because life insurance is important. You never know what might happen. Um, you know, Although they have the Obamacare plan, uh, if they were to get very sick or something was to happen, um, health insurance doesn't cover so much. So it's very important to get a life insurance with a critical illness rider, which we'll go over. Dental insurance, the Obamacare plan doesn't cover dental insurance for adults. It only covers for minors, so 18 and under. It will cover you, but not for adults. So it's important that they have a dental plan just in case something happens, with their teeth. Vision, that plan doesn't cover as well. Vision plans, no Obamacare plans covered unless it says it, specifies it. It really doesn't cover it at all. It's only for minors. So dental and vision are for 18 and under. Medicare Advantage plan. So if you're seeing that someone is 64 right now, you should be having a conversation about Medicare. 'Cause we can go ahead and start the process 3 months in advance. So the month that they're turning 65, we do it 3 months prior. So definitely talk about Medicare Advantage plans. So life insurance. What is life insurance? So life insurance is a type of insurance that pays a lump sum out of money either on the death of the insured person or after a set period of time. So life insurance can include living benefit riders, which is critical illness, so something very important that people should know about. The life insurance can also be used as a retirement vehicle, mortgage protection, college funding, or estate planning. So these are the type of life insurance there are. There's the term life insurance. This is often the most affordable coverage and straightforward form of protection. So because it's only offered specified number of years. A lot of customers prefer this because it's the cheapest one, and it's only for a certain amount of time, but you get it at a lower cost, and at least you have something than nothing, right? Then there's the whole life insurance, which offers permanent protection. So you have it for the entire life. Okay, you don't have to worry about it ending for a specified amount of year like this one. So this one's for your entire life, and the premiums never increase. So you don't have to worry about the price going up. Um, you know, the price you agree to is what you're gonna pay. So the whole life insurance policies also give you the potential to receive dividends and build cash value. So your money starts to earn money, and this could be borrowed against whatever you need it to be used for. So if you want to take it and go on a vacation, if you want to go buy a house, if you want to take it and pay off some bills, college funding, um, you know, you're retired, you got disabled, you want to use that money, you can take it to use it for whatever you want to. That's your cash value that you built, and that's your money that you can use. Um, you know, over the amount of years that you've used it. So these are the life insurance riders. These are the most useful life insurance riders, and the critical illness is the most commonly added. So we have the accidental benefit rider, disability waiver of premium, guaranteed insurability, term conversion, accelerated death benefit, child protection, and return of premium rider. So this is the critical illness. This is the most commonly rider. Most life insurance carriers come with this automatically. We will obviously advise if it doesn't and how much it is to add on. But critical illness is a type of insurance that pays a lump sum of cash benefit when an insured is diagnosed with any of the following. So there's 14 conditions that are generally covered under critical illness. The most common one is the stroke, cancer, heart attack, and kidney failure. So if any of these things were to happen to you, right, the insurance carrier is going to pay out money to you while you're sick. So this is like life insurance you don't have to die to use. That's how we usually tell people. How nice would it be to have an insurance that you don't have to die to use. So while you're living, this carrier is gonna help pay for, things that are happening to you while you're sick. So you have cancer, they're gonna just give you a lump sum of money, and you could take that money to use it to get better, to pay your bills, um, you know, to pay someone to take care of you, whatever the case may be. Because remember, when you get sick, you're not able to work. So if you're not able to work, how are you going to pay your bills? You're going to get more sick worrying about bills. So this is why we want to talk about the critical illness. It's important to have this because you never know what might happen. I mean, how many people die from heart attack or stroke? People get diagnosed with cancer, just like that. So it's important to speak about critical illness, and this is why we talk about this specifically for open enrollment, because now they're enrolling in a health insurance plan, and it's important that their health insurance gives them um, a good amount of coverage, and this is going to help them give that coverage just in case something happens. They have a health insurance plan that's going to cover them, and then they have a rider that's going to pay them if they get sick, to make sure that they're able to take care of themselves. So just to make sure that your customers well insured. So we have dental insurance. Dental insurance is designated to pay a portion of the cost associated with dental care. And then we have vision. Vision insurance is designated to help client cover and budget for outgoing vision care expenses like routine eye exams, prescription glasses, and contact lenses. So we offer Medicare, like we spoke about. So what is Medicare? So Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older, or those under 65 who may qualify because of a disability or another special situation that, you know, they're eligible to receive Medicare early. So there are four parts of within the Medicare insurance program. So there's hospital insurance, which is part A, Medicare medical insurance, which is part B, and then medical advantage plans, which is part C, and prescription drug plans, which is part D. So we offer all of these here, and we can enroll your client again 3 months in advance of them turning 65. And we have pretty much all the carriers in Florida to offer them. So it's just finding out, who their doctor accepts, what health
what prescription drugs they're taking, and we can get them the best plan and pretty much, all the benefits that there are. So this goes over the training guide. The next route we're going to be going over is how to quote, how to explain your coverage to your customer, what information you're supposed to obtain, how you collect it, and how we use it to quote them.